Back again to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to discuss about the way to solve simultaneous equations using the method of graphical solution. As you can see on my screen that there is a diagram to show us what exactly the point intersection and why do we have to understand about point intersection. So point intersection, this is related to the solution to find out the lines with equations of y to x plus 5 and y equals to minus x minus 1 from the example. If it is parallel, then there is no way to find out the value of y and x. So now let's solve the first example. Find the intersection of the lines with equations y equals to 2x plus 5 and y equals to minus x minus 1. Okay, let's just write down the first equation, y 2x plus 5, so we can put it as the first equation, and then y minus x minus 1. Okay, that's gonna be the second equation. And how do we can solve this? So to solve that, we can do by finding out first the value of x and y by using the first method of graphical solution. So the graphical solution, you have to start for when or for y 2x, for y equals to 2x plus 5. So let's do one by one. When x equals to 0, then how do we can find out the value of y? So you can substitute x to 0, so y equals to 2 times 0 plus 5. So then y, that is 5. And then when y equals to 0, so that's going to be y equals to 2x plus 5. So 0, 2x plus 5, and then 2x negative 5, so x negative 5 out of 2. So we can put it that. Okay, let's just move this a bit so it's not gonna be like touch the graph. Okay, then the next one we have to find out so what is the value of x and y? So the value of x and y from the equations for the first equation is, so 0, 5. So we have this. So 0, 5. And negative 5 out of 2 and 0. Negative 5 out of 2 and 0. So that is the first one. Now you can plot that. So you can plot it into the graph on the right side. So x is 0 and 5. X 0 and 5, that's gonna be here. And then minus 5 out of 2, which is negative 2.5, that's going to be here. So we have that. And then you can take a line. There we go. And then the next one is, let's find out for y equals to negative x, negative 1. This is for the second equation. Okay, and then that's before the first equation. Okay, so when x equals to 0, so y equals to minus x minus 1. So y equals to negative times 0, negative 1. So y is negative 1. And when y equals to 0, so then y equals to negative x, negative 1, 0 equals to negative x, negative 1. So then x equals to negative 1. So we have the coordinate, which is 0 comma negative 1, and x negative 1 comma 0. So that is the dot. Now let's plot it into the graph. 0 comma negative 1, that is here, and then negative 1 to 0, that is here. So you can take a line by plotting them together. There we go. So then you can see that where do they meet. So when you draw that properly, then you will find out that they're meeting at which point. Okay, I think there is negative 2.5. We have to plot it in the right way. So when you plot it into the right way, then you will get. So I think it's better like we were using the ruler. There we go. That's the best one. So then it is going to be here. There we go. So they're meeting here and also here. So that is the intersection. So we have this intersection. So the intersection, that's at negative 2 comma 1. Hence we can give the final answer. So the graph meet at the point negative 2 comma 1. Okay,